part 2 of my garage reset. Parts are here, and look at the place. I need to get it sorted so we can get working on this bad boy again. Barely use these tools, so I'm going to move them to here. I'm going to put the pliers across here and the screwdrivers down there, and then I'm going to hang the spanners across there. And now to watch a spanner a wall. Okay, so we've got this side relatively there, and half of this side relatively there. So we've just got this area left now, which is pretty much where I do most of the metal work and grinding. One more day won't hurt. So in part 3, we're sorting this area, just generally finishing up, tidying the drawers and the bits and bobs, ready to get cracking on with the monster pit bike. So make sure you come back tomorrow for the third and final part of this mini series.